So I'm just getting ready here. I have no big garden bed that I used last season. Just got a couple worm trays on there. I've got some cardboard down already just to help suppress the weeds. I do have some more cardboard that I just want to put on top anyway. I did grow some remnants there. I had some sunflowers growing here last year. And yeah, well, summer just gone. In the no dig, so they did really well in there. On top, I'm just going to try this one out actually. This is for tomatoes, vegetables and herbs. I'll just break that up a little bit. Then I can mix it through both of them. A good stir through there. Want to spread it too thin. You don't want to have a shallow raised bed, but once it gets a bit of rain on it, it will settle down, and yeah, that'll be pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop a couple of seeds into each hole, just lay them a little bit flat on the sides. I'm going to put one here, and I'll put one over in the corner on this side, and that will allow me to be able to grow a few other bits and pieces in here while they're getting established, like some more, pop those two in there, like some more radishes, and I don't think I need any more silver beet, spring onions or leeks. As you're probably aware, I had quite a few. Right on this one. Radish on that one. And zucchini. Since I've got two seeds in there, this one's busted, but I'll write them on both anyway. I'll pop each one in here, so I've popped one in about there. The radishes are here. I'll just cover those over. I have grown some in some of the little cells as well. Oh, and there's the other zucchini up over here. What I'm going to also do is just have some rebar here, and I'm just going to pop a few of those in there and kind of put a bit of a netting over this one as well. I'll try and keep them snails out once they start shooting. Piece of cake. Everything that I do around my house is rustic. Doesn't have to be like how everybody else does things. That's just my version of doing things. Simple. This is just the length of 19mm. 19mm pipe on a 13mm hose that I've put over the rebar. As I cut these, watch the pinch points. I'm going to cut it in half. Like that. So just back outside, just all I've done here today with the netting to secure it down is I've just popped some bricks around each of the corners, and I'm not sure if you can see it, I've just put some clips onto some pegs onto the netting, onto the cardboard there, and I just did that around the sides and at the back, and just sort of still easy access at the front if I need to get into it. The benefits of having some netting over, it stops these little creatures wanting to get in and start nibbling on these lush little green seedlings that I have. So I'm pretty pleased on keeping them out. A couple of little weeds are popping up in there, I'll get to those. So yeah, I did plant in some broccoli, so looking quite well. And the what I thought were carrots would be my little spinach plants, actually coming along very nicely. And some more here. Still haven't worked out what this one here is yet. And we have my little midget melon. He's not done so well there. First time I've grown it. I might just go and grab a couple other seeds out of the packet that I got, and hopefully we'll give it another go. But other than that, yep. So well done bird netting, keeping out them snails so far. There's another one just on the outside up over there. You have to have a giggle, don't you? They want them and they can't have them. So what I'll do is I'll plant about 4 seeds this time, give it some sort of chance. So I'll pop 2 in each. Oh, there's 3 went in that one. Not that it matters, but give it a chance. 2 in each little hole. And I'll just give it a little drink. And hope for the best. I'm actually running a little experiment in here, just in a little greenhouse that I've got going. This tray here has corn in it, and it's just straight vermiculite. Popping back down, he's obviously popped up. I've got 2 corn seeds in each little cell. These are silicone ones, so I'm just trying them out as well. And this one, I think these ones have radishes in them. So yeah, I'm just giving it a bit of a trial. This one's just got potting mix and vermiculite on top. And this one here has straight vermiculite. And these are some dwarf carnations that are probably ready now to go out. Not every one of them has sprouted, but just trying to harden them off out in the sun. Well, what a wild and woolly night we had last night. Woke up today and it's going to be like this all day. So plenty of rain, plenty of wind. I have been outside to check on the netted no-dig gardens that we've done, and they seem to be standing up really well out there, but I will check on them during the day. Okay, so until my next video, well, thanks for watching and we'll see you then. Okay, bye.